Vivo Energy earlier this month acquired a majority shareholding in Shell Ghana. With the deal, Shell Ghana is expected to be renamed into Vivo Energy Ghana in the near future. Joining us from Mauritius for more detail on the deal is Vivo's Managing Director, Pawan Jawahir. Pawan, before we go into the details of what happened in Ghana, perhaps by way of background, Vivo Energy and your relationship with Shell, outline that for us. Pawan, do you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, good. The question was, could you outline for us the relationship between Vivo Energy and Shell?
Well, Vivo Energy is the corporation of the Shell in Africa. So we market all the products of Shell in retail and in commercial business with the Shell brand.
It is unusual. Most of the other oil majors have retained their operations. What motivated Shell to do it this way?
Well, this was a decision of Shell previously to divest from the downstream operation in Africa. And they left the space for other companies who had the appetite to invest in Africa. And thus came Vivo Energy.
Your acquisition in Ghana is the 15th country that Vivo is moving into on the continent. Is it one of the bigger of the deals that you've done so far?
Well, this was part of the deal globally over the whole footprint where Shell was present. So with the exception of South Africa, there was a plan to take over in all these countries. There are 17 in all, so 15 countries have already gone to Vivo Energy now. The transition has already occurred successfully and pretty seamlessly, I would say.
Which countries are still left, Pawan?
Well, these are still negotiations on the way. And currently, I can't reveal the names yet, but the countries concerned are well aware of it, and it's progressing quite well. Maybe in the 3-4 months to know of these two other countries.
You did mention that South Africa is outside of that loop. What's the reason for that?
Well, it was never included in the scope right from the onstart. Obviously, it was not part of the plan to that is concerned. So I won't comment on that.
All right. Well, I hope you can help us on the next point. Shell is very involved in South Africa in the potential unlocking of shale gas in the Karoo. In fact, it's got the lion's share of the opportunities there. We do know that Mauritius has got the biggest ocean land or ocean area on Earth. Is there, and there must be potential for some kind of exploration there. Are your friends at Shell looking?
Well, sorry for that, but I'll speak on behalf of Vivo Energy. I can't really pronounce myself on behalf of Shell currently.
So they're not exploring?
Yeah.
Okay. And as far as Vivo Energy is concerned, you've got 43 outlets on the island of Mauritius. Do you have to import all of your energy requirements, all of your oil?
Say that, come again on the last part, please.
Do you import all of your oil into Mauritius?
In fact, we have the State Trading Corporation importing all the oil, and then we distribute it locally. So Vivo Energy actually buy from the State Trading Corporation. Our oil is imported from India currently.
And the imports over the last year, it gives us a good indication of how the economy is going in Mauritius. How have they been growing?
Well, it's a bit of a mixed feeling. Inland, in retail, things have been going on quite it's been quite stable. But of course, being a country depending on the outside world, we do feel the impact of this slowdown in Europe, especially in the export-based economies like tourism and to a certain extent textile. But having said that, we do have also resilient parts of the businesses. International trade has slowed down as well to a certain extent.
That was Pawan Jawahir.
So overall, we've had a good mix of it.